Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you the 6 easy steps on how you can clean and maintain your food waste disposer. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit partselect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. So there's 6 basic steps for maintaining and cleaning your disposer. And the first one and the most important is to unplug your disposer or turn off the circuit breaker for your protection. The second step is more about cleaning bacteria and grime away from the splash guard that's right there in your sink where your stopper goes. And basically just take a little dishwasher detergent and give it a good wash and a scrub. The third step is to remove any visible debris that you see in your disposer. So you're going to remove your splash guard and just have a pair of tongs or needle nose pliers and just look down inside. And if you're seeing anything like toothpicks or maybe there's some peel or by mistake somebody put eggshells down inside that need to be removed, just use your pliers and pull them out of there. Our fourth step is taking some baking soda and vinegar. Just take the measured amounts, pour them in, let them sit in your disposer, put a little bit of water into it, and that's going to bubble and fizz. And that's going to clean that cutting plate and the sides up really, really nice. So the fifth step is about cleaning the cutting blades and the area around it. Put in 2 cups of ice and add 1 cup of salt. Pour that in. Now we're going to run the water and run the disposer. So it's going to grind all that ice up and do that rest of that cleaning. Between the ice and the salt, it's going to clean that cutting plate and those cutting blades and make it just like a new machine again. So our last step is just about making it smell good. So you can take some lemon peel or some orange peel, some sort of citrus peel, put that into your disposer, run it through, flush it with a little bit of water, and it's going to leave it with a nice, clean, fresh smell. And put your splash guard back in, and then you're good to go. So there you go. You can see just by following these 6 easy steps how you can clean and maintain your food waste disposer.